Hi, this is Brian Haynes with Blogger Abroad. I'm running a test of the mic adapter, 3.5 millimeter mic adapter for the GoPro Hero 3. And as you can see, I'm holding a lavalier microphone just to improve the sound quality. I'm going to unplug it in just a second so you can see what the sound quality is for on the Hero 3 without a microphone, and I'll also show you what the adapter looks like. So I'm just going to disconnect that now. So you can see my sound is not very good. You can see the adapter here. If I unplug it, this is the adapter, so it has a micro SD or micro USB, and then this connects like this, and we just plug it into the side. There, so we have the sound back, and you can see how good it is. The sound is exceptional, really, with the microphone. It's an Audio-Technica lavalier microphone. It runs about just under $20. And the idea is that we can travel with the Hero 3 to make our travel videos and not have to worry about damaging a fragile or expensive camera equipment when we're in difficult scenario, difficult setting, and we can still have good quality travel videos and create our video show without a problem, because the video quality is quite good with the Hero 3, as you can see, but the audio is sketchy at best without a microphone. Thanks for watching.